and brought the fly rod with me today, just in case. Hitting on the river. I got a Ross reel. And it's just an eagle claw rod for now. It actually done pretty dang good. I can get some pretty good distance on it. I haven't got any bites yet though, so I might just change spots and see if we can find another good run. That looks pretty decent. The only issue is the waters are super chocolatey. I'm trying to throw some bigger bugs to make them more visible in this murkier water. Fish on. Got him. Let's go. First fish. Oh, I forgot my net. Oh, get the heck out of him. Yeah, it's a whitefish. Mountain whitefish right there. Picked it up off the bottom. I caught him just on a leech pattern. Just right here in this deep run. Just a slow mend. It's a very subtle bite though. Didn't dunk it, kind of just inched forward a little bit. Yeah, so I got that fish, like I said, on just a little leech pattern. And I have a, oh no. Okay, that's all right. I have just a small red midge I had tied up above that. I'm running about, I'd say about a 5-foot leader from my indicator. And that whitefish, he actually ate the leech. And I think for right now, the best thing is visibility in this muddy water. And that's kind of why I'm throwing a bigger bug. But we'll see if we can pull some more out of this run. There's a rise right there. Need to watch yourself. There we go. That looks like a good one. So no, I've caught them here before, these whitefish, by this rock. The issue is trying to get over there without snagging behind you. Gosh, let's see what that drift does. What's that? Yeah, there's another rise, Bryson. That's a hit too I just had. So I'm just trying to work every little inch of the spot, try and get this bug the most visible to these fish as I can. Because I know in this little pool they're pretty stacked up because it's pretty deep. I've caught a few fish here before. Like I said, it's kind of tough to get a bite with it being this murky, but we're gonna see, try and get her happening. Change spots, just trying to find these fish. I did change up my flies. Well, I got the one red midge on. I don't know if it'll hold still. Hold on, let's show you guys. So I tied that myself, and I'm using just a beadhead tungsten sow that I tied as well. That allows me to get to the bottom of that water column. Didn't really get anything else after that whitefish. It might have been just luck of the draw. But this seems like a faster and better seam to hit. So we're gonna try and work this area for a minute. Watch my back cast, huh? Until I'm buzzing the bottom right there. Oh, My eyes are freezing up. All I'm doing there is just trying to break that ice up off the eyes. It'll probably freeze a lot faster though. I just can't get a damn cast in. Let's see. There we go. Maybe. There, that's better, I guess. I'll do it for a minute. I changed spots. I'm gonna try and work this faster run. See if there's anything sitting in this faster stuff. And work my bugs on the outside edge of that fast current coming through. I know I'm tugging on the bottom, so see, that's a little better. Huh. I heard a goose somewhere. Yeah, I hear him. You know. Kind of just trying to hit all sections in this run. There has to be some fish that are sitting in there. So I fished the top part of it and the middle and doing the lower section now. We haven't hit this yet, so I'm hoping it's just a tad deeper. Getting a lot of drag. No matter where I adjust that bobber or indicator. And I think it's just because that my fly was a little too heavy over there and how fast that was running up on the top end of the stretch. So it was a lot of fast-paced throwing. I've seen a few rises. Thought that was a take. I might have just been dragging bottom on that one. I know these whitefish too, they have small mouths. And if you're using something with the tail, a lot of the times they just grab the tail and will take it under. And then you miss them. I've had that happen quite a lot. Wish I would have oh, my waders. Funny thing is I didn't think we would be actually fishing the river today. We planned to go fish in inlet on the reservoir, and they had the gate to the campgrounds blocked, so we couldn't get back in there. So we just made that decision. Let's go try and see if we can get something on the river. And it's been a struggle, man. It's fun though. I enjoy every second of it. And there's that oar. Yeah, I'm just working this slower pull now. And still using the Rainbow Warrior and Sowbug. I might need to change my depth on things. I'm not really sure yet. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, that's crazy. There we go. That's decent trout. Just wrapping up the day. Ended up only catching the one whitefish. Like I said, tried to go fish inlet. It was locked up, come to the river, and it was chocolate milk. I mean, they wouldn't really bite. I think it's just first runoff. Made the water discolored, for making it hard for the trout to see. So, but I'll see you guys on the next one.